Morning, students. Today we are going to discussing about the new phylum Annelida. What is it? Annelida. Please write it. Title. Topic is what? Right. On what basis we are giving the name of Annelida? Title. Annulus rings. What is it? A tiny annulus rings present on the body, hence it is called as the Annelida. Right? Please write it. Annulus rings present on the body. Annulus rings present on the body. Hence these are called as what? Annelids, right or not? Mean nothing but just imagine it's one of the animal. Right? Just imagine here number of annulus rings, right? Right, all of you? Due to the presence of annulus rings, it was called as what? Annelida. Got it? Very good. Right? So next one. If we discuss about major information of Annelida, right? So the first one, what is the habit and habitat? Right? Definitely free living animals. Very good. And some are parasitic also. You know parasites like leeches, are they leech? Right? Those are parasite. Very good. Some are free living, some are parasite. And next one, aquatic or terrestrial, both aquatic and terrestrial. Right? Mean they can presence within the water as well as on the land also. Very good. And on the terrestrial, like different animals are there, right? Okay. In aquatic, both freshwater and marine water animals. Right? Shall we discuss what are those? Right. Please write it. Title: Habit and Habitat. What is the habit and what is the habitat? Tell me, all of you. Right. Definitely. Some are free living and some are parasitic form, right? And next one, both aquatic and terrestrial animals. Right? In aquatic, both what? Freshwater as well as marine water. Right? Very good. It's about habitat. Next one. What about level of organization? What is the symmetry? What is the coelom? What is the germ layers? Tell me, first, what is the level of organization? Organ system level of organization. Right? Organ system level of organization. Very good. Next one. What about the germ layers and symmetry and coelom? Triploblastic, bilateral, and the coelom is what? Not as scio, we have to say as well as the coelomate. Meaning use element in that scio, right? Is that it? So next one. What kind of germ layers do you have? Triplo or diplo? Triploblastic. What does mean of triploblastic? Having a Three germ layers mean triple plastic animal, and symmetry is bilateral symmetrical animal. Bilateral symmetrical animal. Then what about coelom? Eucoelomate means coelomate. Eucoelomate or coelomate. Guide all of you. Right? This is what about the organization's level, right? Right? Level of organization means arrangement of cell, right? Next one, symmetry, germ layers, and coelom, right? Next one, what about special, right? Is there any metameric segments are there? Let's right. What I mean of metameric segments? Body is divided both externally and internally, right? That is called as what? Metameric segmentation. Please write it. Metameric segmentation. Right? Body is divided both externally and internally. Please write it. In both external and internal segments. Right? Very good. Then what about body wall? Right? I will write here, then we will discuss that. Right? Just see it here. What circular muscle? What is it? Circular muscle, right? It's about body wall part, right? Right? This is what the structure of what is it? Setae, right? Meant you know very well about polyketa, oligoketa, right? Keta means what? Setae, right? Setae means what? Like a structure, right? Which helps in locomotion. Just imagine, like there is a structure, like just imagine it's about earthworm, right? So earthworm while moving like here, right? So if they are attached to substratum, definitely they are attached to substratum, right? So that can which helpful to that grip, which provide setae, which provide what? Grip to the substratum. Got it? So this is what animal like earthworm, they do have a setae here, right? So which is attached to substratum, by that they can get what? Grip, right or wrong? Main setae provide what? Grip to the substratum, right or wrong? All of you, right? And as well as here we will discuss about it's about the epidermis. What is it here? All of you please. Epidermis, right? And this is what these are the muscles are called what? Cervical, circular muscle, and these are what? Longitudinal muscles, right? So these are like these two, circular and longitudinal muscle, which helps in locomotion. It's about NCRT line. That all of you, right? So tell me all of you, what it can provide? CTA provide what? A grip to the substratum, circular muscle and longitudinal muscle, which help in what? Locomotion. That all of you, that please learn it. Body law, right? Epidermis. This is what epidermis, right? See here, and what you have to say is here is the region, right? Is the space, right around here, right around, all of you, right? So the space mean up to here, right? The space is called as pits. What is it? So what is the region? It is either epidermis region or circular region. So shall we call them as a epidermal pits, right? Mean the epidermal pits consist of one of the structures called what? Setae. Setae located where? Epidermal pits. Got it? Please read it. Setae. Setae located at what? Epidermal pits are at the location of circular. Epidermal pits. That's it. It's a very important line. Good. And next one, what it can provide? CTA provides grip to the substratum, right around. Substratum, grip on the substratum. That's it. The last point, what we are right? Circular muscle and longitudinal muscle helps in what? Locomotion. Next point. You are right. Circular muscle as well as longitudinal muscle both are helps in what? Locomotion. Mean to move from one place to another place. Right? Good. Next one. Right? If we can discuss more information of annelids, right? Next one, the systems. Tell me all of you, digestive system mean digestion. It's a complete gut or incomplete gut? Complete gut, right? Mean the alimentary canal is associated with the digestive glands, helps in digestion. Please write it all of you. Digestion. Right. Alimentary canal associated with what? Digestive glands. Right? These digestive glands helps in what? Digestion. Next one, complete gut or incomplete gut? Complete gut with both mouth and anus. Okay. After digestion, we have discussed about what? Circulation, right? Circulatory system of wildlife, open or closed tight? Closed tight, right? The first animal which exhibit the circulatory system with the two closed tight is annelids, right? closed type of circulatory system. Mean closed type of circulatory system means what did we have? Blood vessels, and major is what? Capillaries. Mean major is what? Capillaries. Got it? Closed type of circulatory system. Very good. And next one. After circulation, next one what? Respiration. Right? Respiration takes place through what? Moisture skin, right or wrong? In inlets, right? Please write it. Moisture skin, right? If you want to write about Mary's, right? In Aries, they can respire through parapodia. What is it? Parapodia. Parapodia is the respiratory organ of what? Males, right? And the two, because of parapodias are highly vascular. Got it? If you want to write, you can write, right? That is what respiration, right? But they have a respiratory pigments, right? They have a respiratory pigments, right? You know what? The respiratory pigments which are always dissolved in plasma. It's about one of the non-coordinate characters like. Got it? If they are present, definitely they are dissolved in the plasma. Right? What kind of they have? What kind? Right? First one. Hemoglobin. What is it? Hemoglobin. What is the color? Red color. Red color. Very good. And next one. Hemoerythrin. Green. Right? The next one. Chlorochlorine. Pink or violet color blood. Islets are having this kind of blood colors. Chlorochlorine. Okay, got it? This is what respiratory system. And after respiratory system, digestion is over, circulation is over, respiration is over. Next one what? Excretory system, nervous system, and reproductive system. We have discussed, right? Then tell me about the excretory system. What is the excretory organ? Is ready. Excretory or excretion or excretory organ or excretory system, right? So the first animal with what? Nephridia. Got it? Got it? Nephridia and the two metanephridia. Right? You have seen earlier in the platyhelminthes flame cells, right? That's about protonephridia, right? Correct? But in Shigel eucoelomate, right? So definitely it was metanephridia, right? Nephridia, which helps in what? Osmoregulation as well as excretion. Please write it, all of you. Oscillation, excretion. Is what excretory system of annelids, right? So could you please tell me examples for annelids? Earthworm, mint ferritima, right? Nereis, right? And next one? Hydrodineria or hydrodinia, right? Mint what? Hydrodinia. Leech. What is it? Leech, right? It's familiar for us, right? Except Nereis. Except Nereis, both are familiar. Got it? Very good. So this is about respirations, and next one, like excretion, right? Next one, after. Very good, right? So next one, nervous system. Painted ganglia. It means the double ventral nerve cord. What is it? Double ventral nerve cord. Right? Now system of annelids are what? Double or single? Double. Ventral or dorsal? Ventral. Nerve cord. For us. Here, quite reverse to here. All of you. Double or single for us. Here. Nerve cord. Spinal cord. Single. Ventral or dorsal? Dorsal. It's a dorsal. It's a ventral. Nerve cord here, right? So single dorsal nerve cord for us. But here, double ventral nerve cord, right? It is the unique characteristic features of what? Non-choric. Got it? Double ventral nerve cord. Right? Next one. What about sensory here? Yes, what is it? Palps, right? Tentacles, right? And next one. Like did you have what? Chemoreceptors also. What did you have? Chemoreceptors also there. Next one what? Statocyst. Correct? These are the sense organs of annelids. Right? Next one, after nervous system, after sensory, we have discussed about the last one, reproductive system, right? Reproduction. Sex are separate or not? Sex are not separate except nereis. Because of nereis is dioecious or monoecious? Sex are not separate, most of them except this, right? Very good. Mint, what do you want to call for them? Monoecious, also called as what? Bisexual, also called as what? Hermaphrodite. Right? Leech. Leech and earthworms are belong to that monoecious, bisexual, and hermaphrodite. Right? But the nereis is what? Sex are separate, mean both male and females are there. Hence it is called as dioecious. Right? It's about reproduction. Next one. Reproduction takes place through only sexual or asexual or both? Only sexual reproduction takes place. Please write it. Sexual reproduction only. Right? Meant by the releasing of gametes. Right. Next one. Fertilization is external, right? Except in leech. Leech is parasite or not? Parasite or not? Leech. Leech is a parasite, right? And in previous we have studied about Asclepias and Pladiamentis. Do you know what is the fertilization? No. That's it. But as parents said, they are giving only fertilization is the external. If you want to write, you can write in leech. What is fertilization? Internal fertilization. Right? Next one. Development is direct or indirect? Development is direct or indirect. Got it? Next one, if you can discuss about the examples of the annelids, right? First one, Feridima. Feridima postama, menta, earthworm, right? Indian earthworm. Next one, like Hirudimia or Hirudinea. Hirudinea or Hirudinaria, right? So this is what? Very good. Leech, right? And next one, last one, Neris, made to sandworm or bristleworm. What it is? Yes, is what? Earthworm. Here you can see that is what prostomium. It's not a segment. Got it? And this is what first segment. Got it? Right? So that is what peristomium. What is it? Peristomium. Right? And this is what clitellum. What is it? Clitellum. Is what pygidium meant at the location of anus. Meant pygidium meant or pygidium is the last segment of the body. What is it? Last segment of the body. Got it? This is what the information. And the body division is like even based on the like divisions, like even Clitellum, right? Pre-clitellum, clitellum, post-clitellum, right? Like it's about body divisions we can classify it, right? This is what entire information of Annelida. Got it? Next one. After Annelida, we have what do you want to discuss? Right? After Annelida, we have to discuss about what? Arthropoda. Phylum Arthropoda. Right? Please go with that, all of you. Right? You know very well, all of you. In the kingdom Animalia, the largest phylum is what? Arthropoda. What is it? Arthropoda is the largest phylum in the kingdom Animalia. You know why? You know why? Because of, just you can imagine, there are 10 animals on the earth, right? In that, 8 animals are belongs to what? Arthropod. Remaining 2 animals are remaining others, right? And next one, just imagine out of 10 animals, right? 7 are insect. What is it? 7 are insects. Means should we consider as a total arthropods are 3 or 4? 7 of you, right? So 3/4 of the animals on the earth are what? Arthropod. Hence it is called as what? Largest phylum or shortest phylum? Largest phylum in the kingdom Animalia. And in the arthropods also, the largest class is insecta, right? And you know why? Because of what you have seen in our daily life, like butterfly, right? Moth or butterfly, right? Almost they can produce 500 to 1000 eggs. How many? 500 to 1000 eggs. All the hatch outs, right? All the hatch, like all the eggs will hatch out, right? And all the young ones, like what you are called? Caterpillars. What is it? Caterpillars. All will comes out, right? So by that there is a chance to increasing of the more population. Correct? Even in Amazon rainforest, the largest animals has to find out, right? Till now, right? There is a need to be find out more animals are there in the Amazon rainforest, right? And the two more animals are there like what? Arthropods and the 2 insects. Got it? So that's one introduction. And next one, they have conquered, means they have occupied what? First one, terrestrial they can occupy. They are occupied right around, right? They are occupied terrestrial, aquatic, and even what? Aerial right around. Says all of you. Arthropods can fly or not? They can fly like insects, right? So definitely they can occupy all the habitats on the earth, right or wrong? Right? That is what we are, right? So please read it. This is the largest phylum in the kingdom Animalia. This is the largest phylum in the kingdom Animalia. Because of why? Because of what? 3/4 of the animals on the earth are what? Arthropods, right or wrong? Right? And next one. Just now we discussed about almost Out of 10 animals, 8 animals are arthropod. Out of 10 animals, 7 animals are what? Insects. Correct? That's what. And next one. They have conquered all the habitats, right or wrong? Right? And what does mean of arthropod? Arthropod means jointed legs. Arthro means jointed. What does mean food or legs, right? Jointed legs. Animals are right. Next one. Next one. What is the habit? And the habitat. That's now we discuss, right? They have conquered all the habitats on the earth, like what? Terrestrial, aquatic, and aerial mode of life. Please write it. They have conquered all the habitats on the earth, right? So what are those? What are all the habitats? First one, they have occupied. First one, terrestrial. Next one, aquatic. Next one, what? Aerial mode of life, right? In aquatic, both freshwater and marine water, right or wrong? Freshwater and marine water mean all habitats. All the habitats. Got it? This is what introduction of arthropoda. Right? Next one. It belongs to the level of organization is what? Like organ system level of organization. Organ system level. And next one, if you can discuss about germ layers, triploblastic, and coelom is what? Yes. Coelom or pseudocoelom or coelom? Definitely coelom. Mean the eucoelomate. It's a part of cytosine, that was different, right? Next one, what kind of symmetry they exhibit? Bilateral symmetrical animals. These are it. Organ system level of organization. Next one, it belongs to triploblastic, right? And next one, the symmetry is always bilateral symmetrical organisms, right? And the next one, like what kind of coelom it is? Mean the coelomate, also called as eucoelomate. That's it. Right? This is what the like introduction mean the levels of organization body plans, right? And next one, if you can discuss more about organ, mean the body, right? So body is covered by a chitinous exoskeleton. Please write it. Body wall. Right? It's covered by what? Chitinous. So chitinous cuticle. It's about exoskeleton. Got it? Right? The next one. Segmented body or unsegmented body? Segmented body. Right? Segmented animals. Please write it. Next one. Got it? Next one, after the body wall, we have discussed about the systems, what they are, right? So what about digestion? Complete gut or incomplete gut? Complete gut, very good. And then what about digestive system, right? Associated with the digestive gland helps in digestion, right? And based on the digestion, like digestive system, it was divided into how many parts? 3 parts. What are those? Foregut, midgut, hindgut, or hindgut. Got it? Right. Please write it. Digestion. The digestive system. Right? So it's about complete gut with both mouth and anus, right? So digestive glands are there. Helps in digestion. Very good. Next one, after this information, we have right? So digestive system is digestive system is divided based on the gut, right? What are those? Tell me. Foregut. Next one, what? Midgut. Hindgut or hindgut. Right? Digestive glands are there, which helps in digestion, right? It's about digestion. After digestion, if you can discuss about what? Circulation. What is the circulatory organ? Is it? Right? Open type or closed type? Open type. Main type. Blood which is pumped by heart is entered into open spaces. Right? Main type, the body cavity. Right? The cavity of a circulatory system, mean the other words we can call them as a hemocoel. What is it? Hemocoel. Hem means what? Blood. Coel means body cavity, right? So as it is body cavity is open spaces, right? Definitely body cavity is filled with blood is called as what? Hemocoel. Right? Please write it. Circulation is open type or closed type? Open type of circulatory system without exceptions, right? Very good. Next one. Body cavity of other body is said to be what? Hemocoel. What does mean of hemocoel? Body cavity is filled with blood. Body cavity is filled with blood. Got it? This is what hemocoel and open type. Definitely heart is there, right? As a pumping organ, right? But open spaces. Very good. It's about circulation. And next one, after circulation, we have discussed about what? Respiration, excretion, nervous, and reproduction, right? So, next one. There is a special organs presence in excretion, right? In different types of animals, right? So in arthropods, as we have different types of animals, they have a different types of excretory organs also, right? The first one, what is it? Malpighian tubules. One, right? And next one, another one. Coxal glands. What is it? Coxal glands. And the next one. Green glands. Also called as the antennal glands. Got it? That's it. These are the different types of excretory organs in the arthropod. Got it? Please write it. Malpighian tubules, Coxal glands and the green glands are the excretory organ which helps in primarily what? Primarily osmoregulation and secondarily what? Excretion. Terrestrial animals definitely they have what? Malpighian tubules mostly, right? Next one also. After excretion, we have discussed about what? Respiration, not over? Right. Respiration. Respiration. What is the respiratory organ? Here, different types of respiratory organ as different types of animals are here, right? First one, gills, book gills, book lungs, and trachea. Please write it. First one, gills. Book gills. Next one what? Book lungs. Book lungs and last one trachea. I will give you example for each one. Right? Gills in crustaceans. Right or not? Crustaceans mean what? Class crustacea mean what? Crabs, like even prawns. Right? Got it? Next one, in book gills, that's about we can see in Chelicerata. Chelicerata means it's about the Xyphosora animals, right? That is called as limulus, the king crab. Right, all of you? Living fossila of Arthropoda. Got it? In that book gills. Mean gills are like open book. You know what? Open book, which is like that is what, right? And next one here also same book lands. In we can see in spiders, right? And as well as scorpion. Trachea definitely those which are present on the terrestrial and the two insects, right? Insects. Got it? Cockroach or houseflies, right? Even honeybees or whatever the insects are there. Those respiratory organ is what? Right? Hemocyanin is the respiratory pigment. Hemocyanin is the respiratory pigment with the blue color blood. Next one, after digestion, respiration, circulation, excretion, next one what? Nervous system and reproduction we have discussed more, right? Next one. Nervous system. As usual, what? Double ventral nerve cord is the unique non-coordinated characters. Write it down. Please write it. Double ventral nerve cord. Double ventral nerve cord is the unique non-coordinated characters, right? Definitely. Very good. Next one. Ganglionated. Got it? What is it? Ganglionated nerves, right? Very good. It's about nervous system, right? And next one. Next one. Is there cephalization? Yes, sir. Cephalization is there, right? Cephalization is seen in that, right? Very good. And next one. What about sensory? What about sensory? Right? Different, right? Even what? First one. Antennas, right? Next one. What do you have to call? Even simple eye, right or wrong? Next one. Compound eye. right? Next one, statocyst, right? Etc. So many. Got it? These all are sensory in nature. Got it? Very good. Next one. After nervous system, we have to speak about what? Reproduction. Reproduction, right? And sexes are separate, right? Please read it. Sexes are separate mean definitely sexual dimorphism is distinct. Mean what do you call dioecious or monoecious? Dioecious. Bisexual or unisexual? Unisexual organisms. Very good. And reproduction takes place only through sexual reproduction. Only through sexual reproduction. Very good, right? Next one, by the releasing of gametes. That was, Next one. What about the fertilization? Fertilization is what? Internal or external? Internal fertilization. Got it? Is what? The next one, development is which will include. That's it. Development is. Like in cockroach, young ones resembling as like parent. It's a nymph, but as parent. There is no larval stages in that. Got it? That's it. So what indirect and direct development, right? Next one. Last one for today. Examples. First one, we have to discuss about economic importance. What is it? Tell me of you, how many are there? First one, Apis indica, or simply you can say Apis, mean what? Honeybees. Next one, bombyx, mean what? Silkworm. Next one, lactifer, mean lac insect. You know very well, all of you here. In the case of ceiling, right? They will flame and they will they will stick on here, right? So that is what lac. In Telugu, you have to call lakka, right? So that is what lakka. Hence it is called as lac. Lactifer. Got it? So please write it. First one, what you are right? Economic importance. Economic importance species, right? The first one, what? Apis. Apis indica means what? Definitely, it's about honeybee, right? Mini scale and large scale, we can get the profit from that, right? Economic, right? And next one, bombyx. Bombyx mori, right? And next one, like even lactifer. Lactifer means what? Lac insect, right? These are. Next one. What about gregarious pest? Locusta, unlocusta. At the time of, all of you see here, at the time of first wave of the corona, right? At the time of corona first wave, right? So in North India, we have seen about like so many of the like insects, like locust, right? Attacked on the crops. Even they have entered into even houses also, right or not? Right? Those are locusts. You know why? Gregarious means the group of animals, grouped animals, not a single animal, right or not? Right? Is it came as a single insect? No, group of insects, right? That is what the gregarious pest means, the locust. Got it? That's it. Right. Next one, like other animals, like which can cause diseases or other, right? Tell me about remainings. Next one, remaining insects, like what? Housefly. What are you called? Musca. Right? And what is the family recent Neet objective? Yesterday, recent Neet objective, right? Next one, another examples. What are those? Right. If you can see about in the case of malaria, right? There is a Anopheles mosquito, right? So it's about one kind of mosquito. And next one, what? Two legs mosquito, right? And next one, Aedes. Aedes, you know, which can cause dengue fever or chikungunya. Got it? So that is about. So Anopheles, which can cause what? Malaria. It has to call what? Filaria. Aedes, which can cause like dengue fever, etc. Right? Very good. And next one. Is there anything there? Anything is there? Like so many animals are there remaining. We have, right? The first one, like Arania means what? Spider, right? Paramnius means scorpion, right? Freshwater pearlman means what? Prawn. Right, all of you, right? So many animals are there, right? Like remaining, like even Spirosteptors, Jewelers, right? Even Chilopoda, Diplopoda, we have, right? We have so many animals, right? And next one, the major one, the last one, what? A very important one, as we discussed earlier, what? Limulus, living fossil of arthropod. Arthropod, right? And it's commonly called as the king crab, right or not? King crab. Got it? This is what today's topic, such as. Right? Till now, we have discussed about both Annelida and Arthropoda. Arthropoda is the largest phylum or the smallest phylum? Right? 3/4 or 2/4? Right? 3/4 are animals on the earth are belongs to what? Arthropoda. Hence, it is called as the largest phylum in the kingdom Animalia. Got it? It's enough. We'll meet again on tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you very much.